When you hear the phrase Bitcoin mining, you might imagine someone digging the ground with a helmet and a shovel. But the truth is, nothing physical is actually being dug up. What is being produced is security. Bitcoin is a public monetary system that no one controls. There are no headquarters, no central bank, no executive team. It runs on a network of computers from around the world that all follow the same rules. Those rules are written in code. If you send Bitcoin to someone, that transaction needs to be confirmed and permanently recorded. Not approved by a bank, recorded by the network. That recording process is what mining does. Miners are computers running specialized software. Their job is to collect recent Bitcoin transactions, group them together into what is called a block, and permanently add them to the blockchain. The blockchain is just a public record, a history of every confirmed transaction since the creation of Bitcoin. Here's the important part. No one gets to decide who adds the next block. Instead, the network sets a challenge. It creates a very difficult puzzle. The only way to solve that puzzle is by using real computing power and real electricity. Miners use powerful computers to guess trillions of numbers every second. The first computer to find that valid answer wins the race. There are no shortcuts, and this process is called proof of work. It simply means that you must prove you spent real energy before you are allowed to update the ledger. The first miner to solve the puzzle earns the right to add their block to the chain. Everyone else verifies the solution in seconds, and if it checks out, the block is permanently added. In return, that miner gets rewards, newly created Bitcoin and the transaction fees from the block that they added. This is the only way new Bitcoin is created, and there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin total. The supply schedule is fixed, and new Bitcoin gets added slower and slower over time. So why does this guessing game matter? Because the puzzle is difficult and requires energy. It makes the system extremely hard to manipulate. To change past transactions, someone would have to redo the work not just once, but for every block before it and after it, while racing against millions of computers worldwide in real time. That would require more energy and computing power than any single person, company, or government could realistically control. This is why Bitcoin mining is secure. It does not rely on trusting people, it relies on physics. Energy cannot be faked, work cannot be pretended. The network rewards whoever proves they did the work. And every 10 minutes on average, this process repeats. If more miners join the network, the puzzle becomes harder. If miners leave, it becomes easier. The system automatically adjusts. No meetings, no politics, no intervention. Just math enforcing the rules equally for everyone. It is about maintaining an open monetary system that no one can quietly control. It is the mechanism that allows Bitcoin to operate without permission. It is real ownership. It is the engine that keeps the ledger honest. And at its core, Bitcoin mining converts electricity into security, security into trust, and trust into financial independence. That is mining. Now here's the part most people miss. Mining machines can turn on or off quickly. They do not care what time it is. They do not care where the energy comes from. They simply look for cheap energy. This means miners can run when power is abundant and shut off when it's scarce. They can use excess energy that would otherwise go unused and be wasted. Fun fact, the United States wastes more energy than the total energy consumed by most countries. Hear that again. The United States wastes more energy than the total energy consumed by most countries. Its wasted energy alone is equivalent to the third largest energy use in the world, behind only China and the entire US itself. Flexibility is what makes mining unique, and it is why location matters. Electricity is not evenly distributed. Some places produce more power than they can use. Some energy cannot be stored or transported efficiently, but Bitcoin mining allows that stranded energy to be converted into network security and Bitcoin. Anywhere there's excess electricity, Bitcoin mining can exist. Cold climates, remote locations, energy-rich regions far from cities, Bitcoin mining turns remote geography from a limitation into an advantage. So what is Bitcoin mining really? It is millions of computers around the world competing to secure a public financial system. It turns electricity into security and Bitcoin, flexibility into resilience, and energy into trust. Bitcoin mining is not wasteful by design, it is intentional by design, and it is the foundation that allows Bitcoin to exist without banks, without permission, and without central control. That is Bitcoin mining.